para dun sa mga naghahanap ng ibang twist ng Mediterranean cuisine pero Pinoy style yung atake. Ito nga pala yung Kevive na located dito sa may Tunasan, Muntinlupa. Malapit lang to guys sa may Beverly Street, sa may Park Homes, Muntinlupa City. Don't you worry guys kasi wasteable naman yung kanyang location. Ito order nga pala yung atake ng mga servings dito kaya fresh talaga yung mga sinaserve nilang foods dito. And of course, grilled yung process kaya matitikman mo talaga yung smoky flavor ng bawat hinihahain nila dito. Of course, hindi mawala yung kaling special sauce na pwedeng kahit ibudbud kahit sa kanin or anumang ulam. Speaking of foods, meron sila maraming choices dito like chicken kebab, beef kebab, at combination ng chicken at beef kebab guys. At hindi rin papahuli yung kanilang T-bone with rice and egg na napakadaming servings na meron ng kasamang special sauce na talaga namang hindi mo makakalimutan pag natikman. Chicken biryani guys na ganito karaming servings, nachos na pwedeng perfect talaga pang snacks at meron silang 65 pesos na shawarma rice. Kaya naman guys, sugod na dito sa Kevive. Dito lang yan sa Muntinlupa City and I can't wait na rin na matikman yung kanilang mocktails since malapit sila sa school kaya hindi sila nagsisale ng mga alcoholic drinks. Fully air conditioned din yung room nila kaya guys, very convenient guys para sa mga booking and appointments guys, most especially sa mga companies, celebration, birthday guys. Message nyo lang kanilang Facebook page para ma-schedule ka na lang for your most prepared time. Yes. Ayan. Tara, kain tayo. Guys. Alam mo yung kahit saan mo siya ilagay guys, magbe-blend talaga or babagay talaga siya. Kahit ilagay mo siya sa kanin, tapos ilagay mo siya sa beef, napakasarap. May egg pa. Nandun yung smoky flavor niya. Tikman naman natin to guys. So, meron sila dito guys, chicken kebab. Tara, kain. Highly recommended guys, nalalagyan mo siya ng garlic sauce. Okay? So ito mga tol, meron din sila ditong T-bone for only 155 pesos. May kasama ng Java rice at saka yung egg. Okay? So tikman natin to guys. Meron silang special herbs and spices na talagang nagbe-blend dito sa T-bone. Okay? Malambot yung karne. And for only 155 pesos, hindi ka nalugi, di ba? At ito nga pala guys, na nag-accept sila ng mga bookings dito like mga Christmas party or even may mga happening sa company nyo guys, no? So, i-message mo na lang kanila yung kanilang Facebook page, Kevive. And of course guys, magpabook kayo sa kanilang appointment. Pwede nyo like for example, 20 to 30 packs, no? Basta ma-schedule kayo dito. So, message mo lang yung kanilang Facebook page para for appointment. Okay? So, I'm very excited guys since this is my first time na tumikim talaga ng chicken biryani. So, tara. Kain tayo. Wow. Parang ang dami naglalaro. Alam mo yung parang ang dami naglalaro sa bibig ko.
Yes, parang may sumasabog. Unang subo mo, parang nandun yung mararamdaman mo yung herbs and spices nung rice. And habang tumatagal, parang umiinit. Like, nagkakaroon ng spicy flavor. Parang ganun. Biryani rice with garlic sauce. Tara, kain. So dito guys, nagkaroon ng changes yung taste ko for the first time na makatikim ako ng biryani rice. Nung nilagyan ko siya ng garlic sauce, parang nagko-complement yung lasa. Kasi parang na-neutralize na yung anghang and at the same time yung lasa ng garlic sauce with the biryani rice, di ba? So, kahit saan mo ilagay yung garlic sauce, guys, babagay at babagay talaga siya. Try naman natin sa chicken. Lagyan natin ng garlic sauce.
Parang gusto mo yung yung sauce ah.
Ngay. Sarap eh. Solid guys. So yun guys, hindi makukompleto yung kainan natin hanggat walang drinks. So, nagsiserve din sila dito ng mga mocktail, which is ibig sabihin, pag sinabing mocktail guys, alcohol free. Okay? Pasado sa akin yung kay... Oh, iba yung lasa nung hinalo ko guys.
Mocktails kasi, it's a kind of beverage that, when you say cocktail, it's a beverage with alcohol. So mocktail, since we are within the school vicinity, so we are not serving cocktails. So it's like cocktails, but without alcohol. So we call it mocktails. And then aside from that, we're going to serve also craft beverage as well as beverage na dessert yung inspiration like Black Forest, Red Velvet, and so on po. Vibe usually opens from Monday to Sunday, 11 a.m. up to 9 p.m. So yun, we also do accept bookings and reservation if ever na may mga celebrations kayo. You just have to message us in our page. The name of the page is Kevibe, and we can schedule you ahead of time for us to serve you in your most special part of your event or day na isa-celebrate po nila. Sana matry nyo yung Kevibe, mabigyan nyo ng chance yung small business and resto namin dito sa Muntinlupa na ma-experience nyo yung food namin and then the flavors that we wanted to share to you. Good food, good vibes. Thank you.